Dive into the world of home fitness with the XTERRA Fitness FB350 folding exercise bike. A marvel of modern engineering, this bike combines convenience and efficiency, making it a favorite among fitness enthusiasts. The XTERRA Fitness FB350 stands out with its semi-recumbent design, featuring an additional set of handlebars and a small backrest. When not in use, it folds to a compact size of 50.5 inches x 20.5 inches x 20, easily tucked away into a closet. With built-in transport wheels, moving this 42.3-pound fitness companion is a breeze, accommodating users up to 225 pounds. An oversized 2 inches x 1 inch LCD screen keeps your fitness goals in sight, displaying speed, distance, time, calories burned, and pulse, thanks to the handlebar-mounted sensors. The XTERRA FB350 doesn't skimp on comfort either, with a thick padded seat and backrest ensuring a pleasant ride. With 8 levels of magnetic resistance, you control the intensity of your workout with a simple twist of a knob. The bike's ergonomic design is complemented by a 2-way adjustable seat, ensuring a perfect fit for a range of body types. The counterbalanced pedals with adjustable straps enhance control, while the handlebars adjust to your level, ensuring a comfortable grip during your fitness journey. Quiet and efficient, the XTERRA FB350 boasts a silent belt drive system and a 3.3-pound flywheel for a smooth cycling experience. The 3-piece pedal crank is built for durability, and the magnetic resistance ensures a seamless and noiseless workout, allowing you to focus on your fitness without distraction. The XTERRA Fitness FB350 folding exercise bike is more than just a space-saving machine. It's a gateway to achieving your health goals in the comfort of your home. With its blend of design, functionality, and ease of use, it's clear why this bike rides high in customer satisfaction. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, the FB350 is ready to support your fitness journey.